Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to enable push notifications on iPhone. Enabling push notification on your iPhone helps you stay updated with messages, apps, and important alerts in real time. With the right settings, you can receive banners, sounds, and badges instantly. In this guide, you'll learn how to turn on and customize push notifications on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Open the Settings app, scroll down and tap Notifications. Then scroll down to the Apps section. Tap the app you want to enable push notifications for example, WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messages. Turn on Allow Notifications or make sure to toggle on Allow Notifications. Choose your preferred alert style like lock screen, notification center, or banners. Enable sounds if you want a notification tone. Enable badges to show notification numbers on the app icon. Enable banner style and choose persistent or temporary. Go back to the main settings menu, tap General, then choose Background App Refresh. Make sure Background App Refresh is turned on for the app. Ensure Focus Mode or Do Not Disturb is turned off, or allow notifications for that app. Tip: if notifications still don't appear, make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and that the app is updated to the latest version. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.